this is Rich from Square Design Space, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add a reviews slider to your Squarespace sites without having to write a single line of code. So this is pretty cool, a pretty cool little Squarespace trick. So let's dive in. What you're looking at right now is my empowered template for Squarespace 7.1, and it's a pretty cool template. So if you know anybody who is looking for a nice Squarespace website where the style is already built in, check it out, squaredesignspace.com. So the review slider looks like this, and you just click and you can slide through these different reviews. So let me show you how to build one of these. I'm going to just create a page over here, and I'm going to add it to my not linked section, and I'm actually going to use a blog. So the style doesn't really matter here, so I'm just going to choose this, and I'm going to call this reviews 2. Okay, so now we have all of these blog posts set up here, and basically what we're going to do, we don't really need the images, but that's okay. We're gonna leave that alone for now. What you do is you just click on blog post 1, and this title here is actually going to be your review. So type your review here. You know, amazing service, unbelievable, I feel like I stole something, it was that good. Alright, that's quite a review. Yeah, that was fun. Alright, so let's save that. And then here I'm just going to type one more review on blog post 2. And I'm just going to say ridiculously good. Alright, there's my next review. I'm going to save that. Now, for the names underneath, we're going to go to the first review, click on these 3 dots, click Settings, and then Options, and then we're going to scroll down to this excerpt right here. This is going to be the names of the people who wrote the reviews. So we're going to say, I don't know, Derek and Ashley. Okay, save. We had 2 people write that review. We'll have 1 on this one. So this one I'm just going to say John. So, oops, not SEO, options. And we're just going to say John in the excerpt there. And you know what? Since I actually did click on SEO, I do want to point something out. What you want to do with this page, since this blog is like not a page that you want anybody to see, what you do is you go to the settings gear and then go to SEO, scroll down, and you can hide from search results all pages in this collection. So all these pages are hidden, so nobody can access this blog and think that it's an actual blog post, because they would be pretty disappointed. Alright, so now we have that set up, so I'm going to show you how you can drop that into one of your pages and it will actually be a slider with your reviews. So let's do that. Let's see, I'm gonna just create a page. Not a member area, under not linked. Alright, we'll just create a blank page here, and I'm going to call it reviews page. Okay. It doesn't have to be its own page. Obviously, it can be a section on your on another page, but we're just going to click Add Section, and then what we need is none of these. We're going to add a blank section, and then we're going to click this insert point right here, and now what we're looking for is summary. Alright, there's a summary block, and then what we're going to do is select the page. There it is, Reviews 2. Alright, so now you can see, you're probably thinking, oh, but we don't want those images in there. And you are right, we don't want those images in there. What we're going to do is we're going to click on this settings icon here. Actually, I'm out of light on that. Let me see, I think it's actually here. Yeah, Design. So let me go back, make that clear. So click on the summary block, click this edit icon, click Design, and then here we can get rid of the images. Okay, and then we've got the text left aligned right now. We've got the excerpt showing. The date, if you want it to show, you can. If you don't, I believe you can turn that off. That's not the place to do it. Maybe on content. There we go. Primary metadata, none. Okay, so if you don't want the date, you don't have to have the date there. If you do, go ahead and put the date there. The date you would have to go back and edit in the blog post if you want to display the date. So just a note on that, and I will show you how to do that if you want. So right now this is almost there. We've got technically four reviews, even though these aren't done yet. So what we need to do now is we need to make this only show one at a time. So we're going to go to Design, and then we're going to go to Carousel, and number of items per row we want to be 1. So you can change the size of the text here. You can make it large or extra large. Wow, that's a really big difference between large and extra large. Okay, we'll just do large. This header text here that says featured, maybe if you want, you can make that say reviews. I actually just get rid of it, and then I add a title above it. So everything looks pretty good. The read more link is turned off. That's good. We don't want people going to that page, and I think everything is pretty much set up there. So now you can see, let me save this. Okay, so now you can see if we click this, it slides to the next review. Obviously we've got a style problem here that is just way too wide, so it's very easy to adjust that in Squarespace 7.1. We're going to click this edit icon, and the content width we could bring down to small. I think that looks a lot better. And that's how you make your review sliders. So pretty easy. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at support@squaredesignspace.com, and please like and subscribe to our channel for more Squarespace 7.1 tutorials. Thanks.